Today we are going to discuss about the online visibility using search engine optimization, and SEO is a very vast topic, to be very frank, and the intention behind handling this topic for a kind of audience that actually decides how deeper we actually get into these topics. Okay, so for a business owner it has to be handled in a different manner, for an educator it has to be something different, for a student it has to be different, and for a freelancer it has to be different, which means the method of teaching should be different, but the concepts are same, so that I can give the maximum outcome of the whole show. Okay, so advanced branding technique for audience engagement. So we have to split these words into different sections. Audience engagement is a very big topic where we need to study a lot about the audience, their behavior, their consumer activities, and what they like, what they don't like. Okay, how do we design a website? How do we create a content? How do we write in-depth article on a particular topic? So the audience engagement is a very, very important factor. Whether you do SEO, SEM, Google ads, paid ads, whatever it may be, email marketing, or even you have a physical store, engagement with your audience in the healthy, positive manner is very important. So we will be discussing a lots of techniques which we use in the industry, so that that drives your brand highly visible to the public figure. Okay, so with that, SEO and the online visibility will be the major topics that we will be covering. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what is the SEO is all about. SEO is actually called search engine optimization. Okay, the reason behind why I would say what is SEO is because I still remember I went for an interview looking forward to get hired as SEO executive, and I ended up landing on an interview location which is called a sales executive officer. And they told us we are hiring for SEO. Then I was very excited, but the thing is that ended up being a sales executive officer, which is nowhere related to me. So SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so how do you use SEO to boost your online visibility? Okay, so search engine optimization is a crucial digital marketing strategy to enhance your online visibility and drive organic traffic to your website. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about other topics here also, but the thing is, there are few terms which are available inside here. One is called digital marketing strategy and the organic traffic. Yes, so these are the technical terms here. Of course, I can add the search engine optimization, also a technical term. Also, the digital marketing strategy is a technical term, and the organic traffic is a technical term. So I'm going to throw some light on all these three, informations. So I have the document version of the same. Okay, SEO, search engine optimization. So, what is a search engine first of all? If you people are not from a technical background related to internet or computer science, obviously there is one such topic which I'm supposed to explain in detail. Okay, so what is a search engine? Okay, it is a software. It is a software designed to deliver highly relevant, most useful information to the user in a shorter period of time. It is actually a software. It is a program, online program, a software, which is designed with the purpose of delivering highly relevant, most useful information to the user in a shorter period of time, and that is called the search engine. Like we also have other product called social media. Now that is where people engage, connect with each other. Okay, so search engine is a software. There are lots of people who has their own search engine, and the famous platform is Google, and the next famous is Yahoo, and the next thing is Bing. Then we have other things like Yandex. And we also have video search engines like YouTube. So we might have heard about YouTube a lot, but we think YouTube is a platform for education and entertainment. But actually YouTube is a video search engine where you can go ahead and search all your videos. And we also have maps, Google Maps. These Google Maps have a database or a list of businesses. Okay. So in fact, if you take Naukri, it is actually a job search engine. Okay. If you take matrimonial sites like Tamil Matrimony or Bharat Matrimony websites, these are all search engines for bridal arrangements. Okay. So matrimonial websites. So like this, there are lots of search engines available in the industry. Few examples that I have quoted here are Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, YouTube, and Google Maps and other stuff. So search engine itself is a software, and one such software is Google. So that is what you are seeing here right now. It will have nothing, a small box to search whatever we want. So that is what will be available here. Okay. So it is designed in a method of delivering highly relevant, number one, most useful, number two, information in a shorter period of time. So it has three major factors involved. Why it has to deliver a highly relevant information that is very useful in a shorter period of time. Now, here is when the user engagement comes inside in a realistic world. We spoke about this particular point on user engagement in the topic itself. Now, when I have a software where I ask for something and it delivers this information after 20 minutes and 25 minutes, can you think how happy I am? When I ask for information about a coffee, if it delivers information about a photocopy, then how do I feel? Right? That is highly irrelevant, right? That's the biggest problem that we face when it comes to engaging with customers and catching the customer's attention. So we need to deliver relevant information that is very useful to the user in a shorter period of time. So in our scenario, when we take a small example of any other keywords, for example, engineering colleges, let me say in Coimbatore. So when I search this particular keyword of engineering colleges in Coimbatore, Google has taken an effort to display the result that is most useful to me as a user, so that I don't need to do any more extensive researches. So it has suggested the content of several colleges out there in this particular list. At the same time, when I come down, I can also see results from other websites. And it is also adding me question or answers that are requested by people. And if you notice, there are almost, I think 17 lakhs plus 90,000 results that have been displayed here. So these are all the softwares which helps us to deliver the information to us. Okay. So there is a word called optimization here. Now what is optimization? We spoke about the search engine, that is the software. People use search engine to search information about what they want. So whenever people need something, they search in search engine. So people search only when they have a need. Okay. They need something, either information, a product, or a service. Okay, so when they have a need, they search in search engine. So the property of a search engine, which means people use search engine only when they need something. So there is a need. That need must be fulfilled. That can be a sales, that can be information, that can be a research, whatever it may be. So there are lots of words used inside to search inside these tools. And the word that are used to search inside this box, we call them as keywords. We call them as keywords. These words can be a smaller one, a longer one, a shorter one, whatever it may be. So we call them as keywords. Why they are called as keywords? Because the input that we give, that acts as a key to display the information that we want. So the result that is displayed here is due to the choice of words which are used inside this box. So when I searched engineering college in Coimbatore, so these are the results which I got. When I search engineering colleges in Bangalore, obviously it is not going to give me a list from Coimbatore. It is going to give me a list from Bangalore. So the results which are displayed at the bottom are actually controlled by the choice of words which I feed into this search box. So when I change the choice of words, the results displayed do changes because they want to deliver highly relevant and the most useful information to me. That's the primary goal. Okay. So the same way, whatever we feed, that is what is coming as an output. Now, this nature or this future of a search engine, which delivers the relevant information, creates opportunity for business owners to attract relevant and target audience to their website using a concept called content creation. So business owners create relevant content of their business and post it in their websites. Now, what these websites acts like? These websites are like magnet. Okay, whenever someone searches information about the product or service of the website in internet, Google finds the relevant websites and just displays in front of people. Like we have Career 360 at the first place, Shiksha at the second place, College Dunia, again Shiksha, and Zolage.in, something like lots of websites. Now, how these business people take advantage of the search engine? They create different forms of content. They create a text-based content like websites. They create image-based content like this, so that when people searches, they look at the images. They create a video-based content and they post it into video platforms like Dailymotion, YouTube, Vimeo, and all the platforms. So there are different forms of content that can be created and posted in a website. Now, these search engines have the potential to take all these forms of content and use it to deliver to the users to make it highly relevant.